Miranda Priestley's the editor-in-chief of Runway.
So you don't read Runway?
No. Not to mention a legend.
And before today, you'd never heard of me?
No. You work a year for her, and you can get a job at any magazine you want.
You have no style or sense of fashion. No. That wasn't a question.
You got a job at a fashion magazine? What was it, a phone interview?
Who is that? Are we doing a before and after piece I don't know about?
In the world of high fashion.
There you are, Emily.
Actually, it's Andy. My name is Andy.
A million girls would kill for this job.
Is there some reason that my coffee isn't here? Did she go to Rwanda for the beans or something?
Where so much is at stake.
I need 10 or 15 skirts.
Goodbye!
Hello? Where are my eggs? Lingerie.
She is vicious.
Andy Sachs is about to discover
She hates me, Nigel. There's a way that you can help me.
Little Crisco and some fishing line and we're in business.
it's not just about what you wear.
What do you think?
Andy, you look so chic.
You look so thin.
Do I? Just one stomach flew away from my goal weight.
It's about who you are.
Nate.
I got it.
Let me talk to her.
No, that thing with the phone. I'm leaving right now.
Do you know why I hired you? I see a great deal of myself in you.
The person whose calls you always take, that's the relationship you're in.
Let me know when your whole life goes up in smoke. That means it's time for a promotion.
People think that success just happens to you. It doesn't. You want this life? The decision's yours.
The devil
Introduction about the movie titled The Devil Wears Prada is a 2006 American comedy drama film directed by David Frankel and based on Lauren Weisberg's 2003 novel of the same name. The film stars Anne Hathaway as Andrea or Andy Sachs, a recent college graduate who lands a job as a junior assistant to powerful fashion magazine editor Miranda Priestley, played by Meryl Streep. Set in the cutthroat world of high fashion in New York City, the film follows Andy as she tries to navigate the demanding and often demeaning expectations of her boss while grappling with the impact of her job on her personal life and values. As Andy transforms from a wide-eyed novice to a more confident young professional, she faces dilemmas about ambition, integrity, and young professional identify in a glamorous yet ruthless industry. The Devil Wears Prada received critical acclaim for its sharp wit, strong performances, and stylish portrayal of the fashion industry. Meryl Streep's performance as Miranda Priestley garnered particular praise and earned her an Academy Award nomination for Best Actress. The film was also commercial success, resonating with audiences for its portrayal of the complexities of workplace dynamics and personal growth. Attitudes. The question how the characters' attitudes toward their job, boss, and colleagues influence their behavior in the workplace. In The Devil Wears Prada, the characters' attitude toward their job, boss, and colleagues significantly influence their behavior in the workplace. Their attitudes determine their level of dedication, work ethic, and willingness to adapt to the demands of their roles, ultimately shaping their interactions and experiences in the high-pressure fashion industry. The paradoxical nature of job satisfaction among the employees of Runway magazine. Why are some employees dissatisfied despite working at a prestigious company? High expectations are due to glamorous reputation of Runway magazine. Employees might have excessively high expectations with regards to their work, environment, career progression, recognition, and rewards. When reality fails to meet these idealized expectations, employees can easily become dissatisfied. Misalignment values with personal values. Some employees may find that the values and mission of Runway magazine do not align with their own personal values or career goals. This can lead to a surge of disillusionment and dissatisfaction despite the company's reputation. Job, in, job insecurities, the fast-paced and ever-changing nature of the fashion industry can create a sense of job insecurity among employees at Runway Magazine. Constant restructuring, layoffs, or uncertainties about the future of the company can contribute to employee dissatisfaction and anxiety about the career. Ethics. A film set in the fashion industry, several ethical dilemmas are portrayed regarding decision making, leadership, and treatment of employees. In decision making, one of the critical dilemmas in the film revolved around the main character, Andy Sachs, struggling with compromising her personal values and principle to excel in her demanding job at Runway Magazine. Under the leadership of former Devil Miranda Priestley, the dilemma reflects the conflict between individual integrity and professional success. It raises questions about the importance of staying true to one's values in the face of pressure to compromise them for personal gain. Leadership. Miranda's leadership style raises questions about the ethical boundaries of demanding excellence from employees. She often seen treating her staff in a demeaning and disrespectful manner. The treatment of employees like Andy face the dilemma of enduring mistreatment and sacrificing personal well-being for professional success, or standing up against unethical behavior and potentially risking their careers. The treatment of employees raises concern about workplace ethics, including respect, fairness, and the duty of leaders to create a supportive, empowering work environment. It also delves into the importance of work-life balance and the ethical responsibilities of leaders towards their subordinates' well-being. Character decision making. Throughout the film, Andy faces several critical situations that test her values and ethics. To analyze Andy's decision-making process, in these situations, using the 8-step guide to ethical decision-making as a framework. Andy undergoes transformation as she learns to balance her ethical values with the demands of her job. She makes choices that challenge her integrity and sense of self, leading her to resist her priorities and ultimately find a way to succeed in her career without losing sight of who she is. Andy undergoes a personal journey of self-discovery and growth as she navigates the complex world of high fashion and media. These alternative actions and decisions made by the characters contribute to the complexity of the normative and the Devil Wears Prada, and highlight the different perspectives and choices people can make when faced with challenging situations. The decisions made have lasting consequences for the characters, affecting their careers, relationships, and personal growth. These consequences illustrate the complexities of navigating professional challenges and personal values and competitive industries. My takeaways from the film about how attitudes, job satisfaction, and ethics affect organizational behavior. This is about the Devil Wears Prada movie. For the attitudes, nakaka-influence ito sa behavior sa workplace, at yung attitude ay ginagamit ng maayos. Kailangan gamitin ng maayos para sa trabaho, sa mga katrabaho, at para maging maayos ang lahat, at para na rin ma-adapt yung mga roles or interaction or mga experience dito, at hindi mo kailangan maging high pressure fashion sa isang industry. Sa job satisfaction naman ay hindi mo kailangan na maging mataas yung expectation mo sa environment,
kailangan
sa
mo rin
career,
respetuhin
or
yung
sa mga
bawat
rewards,
isa at
or sa magiging
unawain
sahod mo dito
at
sa
maging work balance mo.
tinatrabahoan
Pagganito in the
mo. At huwag kang maging
para
at
sa
huwag maging
kaling
insecurities
makapagtrabaho
sa
na ako sa
trabaho.
magiging
So,
leader,
ethics naman,
magiging maayos na yung mga gagawin ko or mababalance ko na yung emotion, malalaman ko na kung paano i-handle yung situation na hindi nakabase sa ibang tao or hindi ka nagpapadala sa mga